We got a 250 on a single axle trailer rolling out shop today. This one's going on man Blake. He has got a slick setup here, guys. So here's the deal. Our 250 on our single axle trailer starts at $10,500 right now. Counterweights, that's gonna cost you a little extra. We got a stainless steel table on the back we'll check out, but hey, basic, 10.5. Hey, there ain't nothing basic about a TMG pit, so let's check it out. First off, on our trailer package, guys, we built all of our trailers in-house, and they're built extremely stout. We got double frame rail all the way back, wire mesh all the way around, so you got a lot of storage in this rig. Plenty of storage up front here. On the front, on the back side of the smoker, a lot of storage room. Sandblasted, powder coat finish, all LED lighting, 3,500 pound single axle on this deal. So that's the trailer. Come around to the pit, open her up here. Now, like I mentioned, this is our 250 gallon pit. The counterweights are an add-on. You don't have to have those, but it does make it real easy to open the door. Both top sliding trays, that is standard on all of our tank smokers. You got 3 trays on the bottom. They do lift up out of there. 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain on the bottom as well. Step around to the firebox here, guys. All of our tank smokers get fully insulated firebox. All right, the door is insulated as well. 24 inch pipe on the inside, 3/8 thick, wrapped with insulation. Holds heat great. Come around here to the back. Here's that stainless steel table I was telling you about. Unlatch it, folds up, get to all your storage underneath, fold it back down, lock it up, prep off of it, serve off of it, you're ready to rock and roll. A lot of storage back here as well. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.